what is a wood buck and why do I need this in my house? So in typical concrete construction or block construction, you're gonna have the concrete block opening. However, the impact windows will have a flange around the window here that we need a piece of wood to sit in. This piece of wood becomes part of the structure, and this is basically what it looks like, or what it will look like. I didn't have a 1x4 handy, so I just used a 2x4. It's all I can have on me. But typically, this will be flush with the 1x, and then this all gets caulked on the outside. Now, the importance of this, and a little bit of a distinction. So typically right now in your house, your existing windows will have a buck. The problem is that per code, the width of this piece of wood needs to match the width, or at least match the width of the frame. Now your old frames are anywhere between 1.5 inches to 2 inches. These windows typically start at about 2.5, or impact windows typically start at 2.5. So are your existing bucks to code to install impact new windows? The answer is no. So when we install new impact windows, we have to replace the window bucks. That's an important detail to make sure that is in your contract. That is always included in our contracts, and a very important detail because some companies will charge by the foot. So a lot of owners will sign a contract not knowing, and next thing you know, they get a bill when the job is completed. That is a surprise that we do not present to our owners here at Bigfoot Construction.